ముందుగా ప్రియమైన విద్యార్థులకు మరియు వారి తల్లిదండ్రులకు నమస్కారం. నా పేరు కె వెంకన్న జూనియర్ కాలేజ్ చైర్మన్. నేను ఈ రోజు 10th క్లాస్ విద్యార్థులను దృష్టిలో పెట్టుకొని మాట్లాడడం జరుగుతుంది. అది ఏమిటనగా, మనందరికీ తెలుసు, గత 2 సంవత్సరాలుగా కరోనా కారణంగా విద్యార్థులు ఎటువంటి పరీక్షలు రాయకుండానే పై తరగతులు పంపడం జరుగుతుంది. ఫలితంగా ఐఐటి జేఈ మరియు నీట్ లాంటి జాతీయ స్థాయి పరీక్షలను సాధించడం కష్టతరం అవుతుంది. దీనిని అధిగమించడానికి మరియు 10వ తరగతి పరీక్షలో అత్యధిక మార్కులు సాధించడానికి నేను మీ ముందుకు కె వెంకన్న జూనియర్ కాలేజ్ ప్లాట్ఫామ్ ద్వారా అనుభవజ్ఞులైన అధ్యాపకులచే ఉచిత వీడియో క్లాసులు, హ్యాండ్ రిటన్ నోట్స్ మరియు గత ప్రశ్నపత్రాల సమాధానాల విశ్లేషణ ఇవ్వబడును. కాబట్టి నేను విద్యార్థులకు చెప్పదలుచుకున్నది ఏంటంటే, ఈ ఉచిత వీడియో క్లాసులను మరియు హ్యాండ్ రిటన్ నోట్స్లను క్లాస్ రూమ్లో కూర్చొని చదువుకున్నంత సీరియస్ చదువుకోవాలను. ఇంకొకటి ఏమిటనగా, ఈ యొక్క క్లాసులు విన్న వెంటనే అర్థం చేసుకొని ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయవలను. ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయడం అంటే కేవలం చదవడం కాదు, పేపర్ మీద రాయవలను. అలాగైతే గుర్తుండిపోతుంది. దీంతో పాటు మీ యొక్క నాలెడ్జ్ని పరీక్షించుకునే కొరకు త్వరలో ప్రీ ఫైనల్ పరీక్షలు కూడా నిర్వహించబడు. ఈ యొక్క అవకాశాన్ని సద్వినియోగం చేసుకోవాలని 10th చదివే విద్యార్థులకు విజ్ఞప్తి చేస్తున్నాను.
So this video is about the lymphatic system. This lymphatic system is also asked as for the 4-mark question, or it can be asked even for the 2-mark question here. So let me first discuss what is lymph here. So I have written the lymphatic system here. That we should know what is the lymph actually. What is a lymph? Lymph is nothing but a watery fluid, okay, or the white substance, white material, white solution or white material, or simply we can just write watery substances. So where you found this lymph actually? So we have everything blood in our body, but where do you found? See, we also find some watery substances in the blood. See, in the intercellular tissues. Okay. So these are the cells. So in between the cells, we for the transport of the nutrients, some fluid has to be passed. So that fluid, this is a tissue, okay. If you take, this is the tissue here, from one cell to, these are the cells, one cell to another cell. For their movement, something, a substance should be moved. So that interstitial fluid.
Students, my name is Vishal Sharma and I did my BTech from IIT Kanpur in Electrical Engineering. I have an experience of more than 12 years in preparing IIT JEE aspirants for this examination. Under me already more than 100 students have cracked this IIT JEE examination. Right now I am associated with K Venkana classes. Now K Venkana classes, for the first time in Hyderabad, it has brought your top Delhi, IIT and NITN faculties. Now, what are you waiting for? Come and join us and realize your dream of getting into IITs.
Interstitial fluid is called the lymph. Is called lymph. Okay. So this interstitial fluid is also called the tissue fluid. So what you need to write, the first point is, lymph is inside white material or the watery substances. So where do you found? Where do you found? In the interstitial tissue we found the lymph. And the lymph is a link between, lymph is a link between blood and water or watery substances. Okay, and So white in fluid, I told you. And what is the system which is involved in the lymph or carrying this lymph is the lymphatic system. Lymphatic system. What is the lymphatic system here? The system, there should be some system should be there to send this lymph to all the body parts or to collect from all the parts. That's a system. It's a lymphatic system is nothing but the system which carries the lymph, which carries the lymph is called lymphatic system. I am simply writing, LS I am writing. So the system which carries all this lymph is called the lymphatic system. What does it include here? The lymph nodes, that is the lymph nodes, lymph vessels, capillaries are involved. So what is a lymph? It's a substances where you found it inside the tissue, between the cells you found the tissue. So what does it function here? So it function, what does it function? It carries the nutrients. So it carries the nutrients. So which system is called the lymph system here? The system which transports the lymph, like example the nodes, vessels, those are all taken into consideration into the lymphatic system. So our heart, simply a heart, what it carries the oxygenated blood to the body parts, like body parts. In body parts, to every cells, the blood has been sent. Okay, capillaries. So this is how they send the nutrients. From heart, the blood is sent to all body parts, to each and every cell. So here cell, we have also the, including with the blood, we have also the nutrients. Along with the blood here, nutrients are there. Okay. So we can also send the nutrients into the different parts, how it sends here. So these nutrients present in the cells, right, they actually enter into the veins. So the veins again into the venous system. Capillaries too, nothing but the capillaries here. So venous system. System which collects. So this is how they send, this is how they just collect. This is the way how they send and this is the way how they get back the link. So this is all about the lymph. Nothing but the lymph is nothing but the white fluid, okay, which is responsible for the transport of nutrients from one cell to the another cell. So the blood, RBC, okay, minus in the blood is, we can see the lymph. So that's about the lymphatic system or the lymph.